Hi students, I am Khusre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kondev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to see adjectives part 2nd from spotting error. The students who are trying for UPSC written exam for the subject English. So let's see adjectives part 2nd. Two or more comparatives. When two or more comparatives are joined by and, they must be in the same degree. For example, Russell was one of the wisest and most learned men of the world. That and those. When there are two objects of comparison, then to avoid repetition of noun, that is used for singular noun and those for plural noun. For example, the climate of Ranchi is better than Gaya is not correct. The actual or the correct sentence is like this: the climate of Ranchi is better than that of Gaya. So that of is used here. If comparison is made by using other, than is used instead of but. For example, he turned out to be no other than my old friend. So after other, than should be used, not but. Likely, certain and sure. Likely, certain and sure are followed by to. For example, he is likely to win, or we are sure to need help. Now see some confused adjectives. Which are they? Beautiful and handsome. Beautiful is used for woman, handsome for man. He is a handsome youth. She is a beautiful girl. Less and fewer. Less refers to quantity, fewer denotes number. He takes no less than a liter of milk. They have fewer books than I have. So here less quantity बताता है, fewer नंबर डिनोट करता है. मिल्क हम नंबर में नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, उसके लिए लीटर यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन बुक्स हम नंबर में काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन लेस एंड फ्यूअर. Last and latest. Last is the final one. Latest is last up to the present. For example, Z is the last letter of the alphabet. This is the latest edition of the book. अभी नया है, ये बताने के लिए लेटेस्ट यूज किया जाता है. Each and every. Each is used for one of two or more things. Every is used for more than two things taken as a group. For example, each of the two boys was wrong, and he read every book I gave him. So that is the difference between each and every. Fifth one, older and elder. It is more confusing. Older refers to persons or things. This tree is older than that. Elder refers to persons only. He is my elder brother. So अगर persons के लिए यूज़ करना है तो एल्डर ही यूज़ करना है, लेकिन ओल्डर हम पर्सन्स के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और थिंग्स के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकता है. लिटल, अ लिटल. लिटल मीन्स नॉट मच. अ लिटल मीन्स एट लीस्ट सम. ही स्लेप्ट लिटल. and he slept a little. So there is a slight difference between little and a little. Little means not much and a little means at least some. Farther and further. Farther means more distant, further means additional. बॉम्बे इज फार्दर दैन दिल्ली, बहुत दूर है, ये बताने के लिए फार्दर. आई शैल गेट फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन, इससे ज़्यादा की इंफॉर्मेशन मैं लूँगा, ये बताने के लिए फर्दर. सो फार्दर एंड फर्दर, दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस. फार्दर रिगार्डिंग डिस्टेंस, फर्दर रिगार्डिंग एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. Latter and later. Latter means the second of two things. Keats and Byron are romantic poets, but I prefer the latter. Latter here L-A-T-T-E-R. Latter means बाद में जो है वो. Keats and Byron दोनों romantic poet हैं, उसमें से Byron I prefer. So here latter is used. Later refers to time. She came to school later than I. टाइम के बारे में लेटर बताता है, बाद में ऐसा. So in this way we have finished this topic. Thank you.